What's happening, Hungry Pandas? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just bought these Kodiak Cakes. I've shown you the Kodiak Cake muffins in the past and was actually really impressed with them. But this is Kodiak Cakes, Power Cakes, Unleashed, protein packed. Hey, these are buttermilk and maple flapjacks to go. And so pure or true maple syrup, which is always kind of rare. And most people actually have never really had maple syrup. They've had like the corn-based syrup, which I actually really like. Hey, 100% whole grains, 250 calories. It comes in like this little ramen cup. You can see here, it's not that big, but basically what you do here, and the whole concept of this thing is that you can bake something, fresh bake something in your microwave in a minute. And who doesn't love a warm, hot pancake? Check out my Alaska Airlines pancake maker review if you haven't seen that yet, because that was awesome. 250 calories. So it's something in the morning you can just quick whip up. And, maybe you're on the go. You could take these to a hotel room. They don't require any refrigeration. It's just powder in here. And so that kind of makes them really nice and portable, as opposed to something like, an Eggo or something that you have to keep frozen or refrigerated. So all you do here is remove the sealed lid. You're going to add 1/4 cup of cold water. And if you wanted to replace that water with milk, you could certainly do that. That'll give you 12 extra grams of protein. And then you're just going to stir this up. And what I've noticed here is you want to stir pretty thoroughly. And 1/4 cup seems just about right on the water. Stir this up. It comes into a nice paste. And I just kind of try to tap it down to get it to the bottom of the cup as much as possible. And then you microwave it on high for 1 minute. All right, just took it out of the microwave. This thing is really hot. And as you can see there, we have kind of a pancake in a cup. Looks kind of like a pancake, at least in the texture. You don't get that really cooked golden edge or anything or the side, but look how it kind of just pulls apart here. It's really, really soft, not dense at all. And it definitely smells like a pancake. That's kind of the most interesting thing, I think. So, pretty hot, but even though it's only been about maybe 30 seconds, 45 seconds or something since I took it out, it's definitely edible at this temperature. And yeah, what's weird is it's moist, it's fluffy, tastes like a pancake, and is like impregnated with that little maple syrup hint. So you don't need anything on it, right? You don't need to hunt out something. And it's really, in some ways, far more moist than a traditional pancake. So, you really sometimes have to put syrup or butter on them to kind of make them, not just a dry, breakfast food, but this is really good, man. So, 30 seconds or so to prep this thing with water and stirring it, and then a minute in your microwave, and all of a sudden you have a hot traditional American breakfast. May not look like a pancake, but it tastes like a pancake. Man, that's pretty cool. Check it out, man. Kodiak Cakes. I don't know if they make other stuff that you can bake in the microwave, but how convenient is that? This is really good. I really like these things. You can get them by the case, and they're not that expensive. So I'll put a link to them in the description if you want to pick it up. I would definitely try it out. Peter Von Panda, out.